Hello guys, good evening guys. Sorry if dark because it's already in the evening night. Okay. So now guys, we have Ford. I have Ford here. Ford, I think Marquis. Model, I think model ini 2008 or like that. I will update you the model guys because now I need to get out the car. So guys, the model for this Ford Marquis 2011. Okay. So 2011 guys, uh, the customer said have problem in the transmission have sounds when you start the car and when you shifting to drive R or drive to reversal drive have sound inside the transmission. Okay. So now I have I take a computer scanner, and I will test drive before I tell him so what the problem for the computer or the transmission. Okay guys, so now guys, so I show you in the front guys, so you know what is the problem or the symptoms. Okay, this I have a scanner Labita. So now we have a first gear commanded, and as you can see, the transmission fluid temperature, guys, is over. Okay, 126. It's over, guys. Okay, and have a code transmission over temperature. Okay, so now we have a instruments cluster. We are in I put in the parking. The transmission I off and then start. Okay, and shifting. Ah, sorry, maybe you did not hear the noise, but have noise the transmission when you shift the shifter. Okay, and have a check engine. So now you see in the cluster, see the needle, because when I drive I feel a slide. Number two, have a shift shock. Number three, it's good. Number four, slide. Number four, guys, slide. You see the needle for the RPM, not normal. Okay, and in the scanner, guys, you only see 4 speed, because this transmission is 4 speed only, but same like 5 speed, because this transmission is have overdrive or high speed or the top speed overdrive. So they have this transmission have a fourth shift and plus overdrive the high speed. Okay, so it makes 5 speed, but this transmission is only 4 speed. Okay guys, so now guys, have problem in the transmission, have shift shock in the number 2 shifting and number 4 slide. Okay, okay guys, so the okay guys, so I go back to the workshop because I have a caprice. I changed the transmission fluid. I only test drive this to make conclude or summary or what is the problem. So this transmission, guys, need to overhaul. Okay, so because have problem in the transmission, and after that we will see the computer ECM. Okay, because the TCM and ECM is assembly in one place only, one TCM is combined. So now I try to delete the code. So guys, I already delete the code, but transmission fluid temperature is still high. Okay, so he have problem. Okay, after this, if he agree, so I hope we have a part 2 for this video. Okay, so what is the nice for the part 2, because if he agree to overhaul, we see the problem inside the transmission. Okay, I will make overhaul for this transmission, and I will make video, so we update you to what is the problem, what is the part damage inside. Okay, so thank you guys, thank you for watching, so thank you so much.